Hello class, this is Mr. Gibson. I'm recording this video in response to a few emails I received from your classmates. I'm going to go back over the course with you all so you all can see step by step how to navigate through the course again. Okay, first of all, you come to the JetNet site for the course, which we are here. And then we come down here to the class internet and JetNet base, class introduction and JetNet basics, which you can watch the video right here. Okay, now the next thing that we come to is the syllabus. Now, when you click on the syllabus, it will give you this here. This has our course syllabus. Now it has all of the pertinent information here, which is basically my phone number, my email address, and also my office hours. Now, at the recording of this video, the only thing that may change on this syllabus is my office hours. Everything else will remain the same. So I'm just letting you know that everything else will remain the same, but my office hours are likely to change. Now, we come here for the signing up of Aleks, which is one of the major questions that I've been receiving. When you sign up for Aleks at aleks.com, you will need to use this math course ID in order to sign in. So what I'm going to do really quick, I am going to sign into Aleks to let you all see how the sign in goes. So I'm going to do another tab and go to aleks.com. And then what you are to do, you are to click on sign up. And then you're to put in the class code. The class code is right under the website on your syllabus. It's this UU63M. So UU63M. And then 9DJCC. Then you press continue. Now, if you notice here, your class will pop up and you will click confirm. Now, if you have an Aleks account already, all you have to do is click on yes, type in your username and password, and then you will be scheduled into my course. But here, I'm just assuming that no one has an Aleks, have an Aleks account before. So I press continue. Now on this screen here, you'll put your first name, last name. You don't have to put your middle initial, your email address, and make sure that it's an email that you actually use. And then you will confirm it. You don't need your student ID, but you do need your password. Now, when you create your password, please text your password to yourself, because if you forget your password, I do not have access to your password. So you will have to end up contacting Aleks if you cannot get your password, or you put it at an email that they cannot send it to you. So please just text your password to yourself or write it down and keep it someplace that you will know how to get to it. And then you will click on I agree to the terms of use. Then you will press continue, and it will give you your username. You cannot change your username, so you would have to basically you would have to have your username and text it to yourself, so you will be able to remember your username because they give you the username. Now, after you sign in and everything, after you set up your account, I'm going to sign into Aleks really quick to show you how to navigate Aleks as well. All right, so let me log in really quickly. Okay, now after you log in, let me go to your course, the I3. Okay, now you're going to get a lot of this information here, but let me show you the assignments. Go here to assignments. Now these are your assignments. Now if you notice here with the homework, it gives you the due dates. Like homework 1-1 is due January 21st. 1-2 and 1-3 is due January 24th, and so on. You will see all of your due dates. And you must complete the homework in Aleks. Homework is separate from doing your worksheets, your project, and also your check assignments. They're separate. So you will come to Aleks, do your homework. That's the this is the platform that you will do your homework. Also, you also will have exams in here like your midterm exam. Your midterm exam, don't worry about this date right now. This date may change, but right now I have it in for March the 12th. But don't worry about that. Okay, so now, so basically your midterm, your final, and your homework and quizzes are done in Aleks. And you have to follow the due dates. Now, these quizzes here, they're basically from chapters 1 through 4, and they're not due until April 25th. So all 4 quizzes are due April 25th, and then we have the final exam also that will be in Aleks. Now, this is the basic setup for Aleks. Now we're going to go back, and then next, I also included a syllabus video. Now the video, and I will tell you this, the video actually uses my 7-week course, but I will be going over the syllabus also in this video as well. So now this is a basic Aleks sign in. I would suggest that you use this video for your Aleks sign in because this uses a different sign in code. Now the assignment calendar is listed below on JetNet. The check assignments are due Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. of the week. Notes are assigned for the section. So for instance, this week I told you all in various emails that you're supposed to cover sections 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. So sections 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3 are due this week, Wednesday, which is today by 11:59 p.m. Now I have the best ways to contact me, which is my email, my phone number, and remind, or during my office hours, which are on Zoom. And also to get responses within 24 hours, please contact me before 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Now the video notes. Now there are links below the video notes for each chapter and section of the course pack. In addition, I will send out periodic email with links to videos on the sections that are covered in this course. So in order to get the notes using the videos below, you need to follow these steps. So listen, I have been sending out emails to you all that have links to the videos that you need for your notes. Now, what I have been doing, since this class is strictly online, I've been sending the notes from my 7-week course that I actually meet with. The notes are exactly the same. It's just that they're going at a faster pace with the notes than you are. So the notes that I have for whatever section I'm covering with them, those are the notes that you are supposed to have too. You just may need those notes later, but it still would be the same notes. Just like I sent you an email yesterday with sections 1-4 through 1-6. 1-4 through 1-6, we're supposed to cover next week. I still sent you the notes. So those notes are the same notes that you would need for next week. It's just that you got the notes early. Now, for the worksheets and project assignments, I suggest and highly suggest that you all download Cam Scanner on your phone. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or if you have an iPhone. You could download Cam Scanner on your phone. Now, once you download Cam Scanner, you can watch this video here. And I wanted to see how long it is. It's a 10 minute. a little over 10.5 minute video that shows you how to use Cam Scanner, where you can scan multiple pages and upload those pages into JetNet. Now, your worksheets are always due the Sunday of the week that it's assigned. So basically, this week, and I will tell you this, I know Sunday is the first day of the week, but what I do here for our class, I consider Monday the first day of the week. So basically, when I say that your assignment is due by that Sunday, I'm looking at the classes going from Monday to Sunday. So since it starts on Monday, you have your sections 1-1 through 1-3. The worksheets for 1-1 through 1-3 is due on Sunday. Now again, worksheets and homework are separate. Worksheets are due on JetNet. You have to do the worksheets, scan them, upload them to JetNet. They're due by Sunday. Your homework that's on Aleks is also due by whatever due dates that I have listed on online that you could check. So then, to get to what worksheets you're actually using, we will come down here. Now I'll come back to this stuff here, but let me concentrate on the worksheets. Now, you should have a printed out version of your worksheets. If you do not, you could come right here on JetNet, click on the worksheets link, and then you could download the worksheets. It says course pack, but it's actually worksheets. You'll click here, and then you will scroll down here. These are the worksheets. This is 1-1. You're supposed to do 1-1 through 1-3. So if you don't have the pack with you, you could print this out. And it's pages 3 through 7 for 1-1 through 1-3. Now, there was someone who emailed me and said they did not have the 1-2 worksheet. You could go here, download the 1-2 worksheet, fill it out, scan it, and then also submit it. So this is where you would get your worksheets if you do not have the hard copy. So you would do those worksheets, and then you will upload them to JetNet. Now let me show you where you will upload your worksheets to. So we scroll here, and it says 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3 worksheets. So now I'm going to switch my role to student so you can see what it looks like to upload a worksheet. So I will come back here. You will click here, and then you will click on Add Submission. Now, what you could do here, you could click here, and then you could choose File, and then go and choose whatever file you want to upload. Personally, I like doing it like this here. Just go, grab the file, and drop it here. I think that's the best way of doing it. I think it's the easiest way, but you don't necessarily have to do it. And then you would click Save Changes. And then it would say, it would give you this screen here that says Submitted for Grading. Now, if you need to edit something, like add on another submission, you can. You can click on Edit Submission, and then you can add on another submission, especially for the person that said that they were able to do 1-1 and 1-3, but didn't have 1-2, and you may have submitted the 1-1 and 1-3. You can submit the 1-2 now. Now, that takes care of the worksheets. Now we go back here. Let's go back. Okay, now we come here. I said we will go over this. This right here is for Big Blue Button. Now, if we set up an appointment, I typically have my office hours on Zoom, which is listed here. So you would do whatever my office hours are, you would click on office hours, you would go to Zoom, and then we could have our meeting. However, if you prefer Big Blue Button, you have to email me and let me know, and you would just click here and we can meet at Big Blue Button. But again, unless you let me know you want to do Big Blue Button, you will click here and go to my Zoom office hours. Okay, so now the next thing, you do have an assignment called Projects. You click here to Projects, and you have Projects 1 through 4. So you would click here, and in each project folder, I'm just going to show all 4 folders, there's a Word document. I always suggest that you look at the Word document first, because the Word document gives you everything that you need to know about the assignment. So once you get the Word document, it will tell you how you would use these Excel documents as well. And you will turn all of these in, you will upload them to JetNet. Okay, so now the next thing, we had a project. The course documents is just basically how to sign into Aleks, which I did at the beginning of this video. Okay, next, the exam reviews. If you click here, the exam reviews, it has the reviews for the midterm, reviews for the final. Now, one thing about the final, now the reviews for the midterm are just these 2. The reviews for the final is actually all 4, because we are going to use the information from the midterm as well. So I'm just letting you know that it's all 4 for the midterm. For the final. Okay, next. Now the worksheets I already went over. The Aleks homework, if you click here, it'll just take you to aleks.com and you will sign in and do your homework. Now the filled out course pack notes, some people probably don't want to watch the video, which is, up to you. You could click on the filled out course pack notes and you could click on the section, but you still would need to fill out your course pack. So it'll have 1-1. And it will have all of the answers for the course pack. Now, these are videos as well. Aside from the links that I send you, you can just go directly here and click on this link, and then you could get access to the instructional videos as well. You would just click on the link, it will send you to YouTube, and you will scroll to the section that you need to look at. And please, when you're watching the videos, you're supposed to copy the notes and have your notes open during the time of the video while you're watching the video. Okay, so now the next thing is the Remind app. Now, the Remind app, I will be sending out information through Remind as well. So I'm just letting you all know that you should sign up for Remind, and you could do that on your phone. This is the number you would text to, but this is what you would type in the text, the EdWN 2021 MA. Okay, now, don't worry about these big blue button sessions because this class is strictly online, but we have the lesson checks. You see here that I have the lesson check and it's due Wednesday, January 13th, which is today, by 11:59 p.m. You will click here, and then I actually submitted this, but let me go back here. So I did this on another video. Let me just go to the 1-2. Okay, it says 1 attempt is allowed. You could click on, now this is the same thing. It looks the same as 1-1. All of them look the same, except for they have the different lesson numbers. So you would click attempt quiz. Now is 1 question. It says enter the answer to question 6 on page 19. So you will go to page 6 in your course pack, page 19 in your course pack, and look at question 6, and whatever that answer is, you would type it here and then click finish attempt. That's all you would do as far as the lesson check is concerned. So this week, you will need to do lesson check 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. Now, if you follow the calendar on JetNet, this calendar, if you look at the week, it would tell you what you need to do. Like next week, we're actually covering 1-4 and 1-5. I already sent you the videos for that. And then also you have to do the 1-4 and 1-5 worksheets. And then you also have the Aleks homework for 1-4 through 1-5. 1-1 through 1-3. Not 1-4 and 1-5, but 1-1 through 1-3. And if you notice here, what I typically do as far as the homework, I will go over it here as far as the section numbers, and then the homework will be due the next week. And the same thing here, week 3, week 2, we cover 1-4 and 1-5. So in week 3, that's when 1-4 and 1-5 homework will be due. And when you click on these links, it will take you directly to Aleks. And then you will sign in. And so you keep scrolling down here. And then if you notice here, we have project 1 is due. And then you will upload the project 1. If you click on project 1, then you will add submission the same way that we did for the worksheets. Okay, now the exam review, you don't turn that in. This is just a placeholder to remind you that you would do the exam review. And the Aleks homework is always at these links here. Now the exam, again, I will be letting you know when the dates of the exams are. So I hope that this video has answered the questions that you all had for Math 130, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a wonderful day.